Welcome back, friends. Today I'm out for another adventure with the MudWife on her 2022 Can Am Outlander 570 XMR. Now, she's only had this ATV for a few months, and she's only rode in the mud a few times. But as you'll see, she's gaining more and more confidence with every ride. So stick around and enjoy the ride.
Sure, he's making me go over this big ass hill. Holy crap. Oh, I don't like this. Do I ride my brake?
Yeah, ride your brake a little bit to get a feel for it so you don't go too fast. It's not bad. And then the engine braking will kick in a bit. Just get a feel for it. You gotta trust it. So no throttle, just brake. Yeah, it'll crawl right down. Oh, yeah, brake out. There you go. Yeah, a little brake. There you go.
I think he's trying to kill me. Are you trying to kill me? I don't like that.
But that was alright. You get a feel for it.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to get used to some hills.
I know.
You get a little nervous with the up the hill.
The hills, but I'm
or
getting
down the
better.
hill.
I just have to do it.
Yeah, you can do it. Like, remember, I'm never gonna get you to do something that's like too scary or too risky. But there's got to be a little bit of like element of
Risk.
yeah. But just or
Trying
doing
new
something
things.
different.
Yeah.
It's going down a hill. It's a little bit rocky. You got to get used to what the machine can do.
First and second ride, I would have not felt comfortable doing this at all. So when Donna and I went through the little forest, and it forced me to get used to like how much radius my vehicle has or clearance, that was probably good. Jesus, Murphy. Get me out of my comfort zone. He told me he's not going to do anything that's going to put me in harm's way. So I trust him completely, or I would not be doing this.
Good job.
Thanks.
I was trying to tell you was once you get that one point, just let the brake off, and you'll see the engine brake kind of.
It doesn't seem like it's very brakey. Do you know what I mean? Like.
Well, maybe you got some dirt, like dirt in there. I found your brakes work way better than this because it's the same brakes, but the machine weighs like 150 pounds less. So this doesn't look like much.
He's just showing off now to see if he can get through, but he said it's pretty deep, so. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try it. That was nothing.
I remember that being way harder before.
Can I try it?
Yeah, that'd be a good one for you.
So 4-wheel drive low?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna do in forelock. There we go. Let's see how Nellie does.
take a quick break? Quick breaks? Okay.
Sure.
Okay, coming up, we have a pretty challenging little hill climb here. That'll be the MudWife's first time really trying to go up a hill. So we basically said, let's not talk about it too much and let's do it. Pretty easy.
A little bit of white knuckling, but I did it.
Hey, don't overthink it, eh?
Yeah.
It's actually not bad.
No, it's not too bad.
There's a couple little rocks where you, no big deal though. Fist pump. Try a couple of these ones out.
Okay.
Definitely you need like 4-wheel drive and low and everything. There's nothing super deep, but you could get hung up, but don't know until you try.
Which one should I try first? That one?
Yeah.
Or straight?
Reverse, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna back up a little bit more.
After all that boring road riding and making her go down and up steep hills, she should have some time to play around a bit. I don't know if she's coming back. Mud. All right, she's coming back.
That was scary.
You know, that 570, even on those 27-inch tires, 28s, 27s, they work pretty freaking good. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's how you do it! Haha! So you know what's funny? MudWife just blasted through that one. She certainly wasn't taking her time and wasn't messing around. But on a side note, I'm almost dead positive that that little spot there, Richard from Elemental ATV, got stuck when he first had his scrambler on the little 26-inch stock tires. I'm almost positive that's the spot. I'll have to ask him about it. Ah! So close! I just had to go left a little bit. Yeah. Oh well.
Oh, 2 ships crossing in the night.
So this was a spot I was looking forward to bringing the MudWife to test her machine and her capabilities as a rider.
Okay, that's a good one. So, you're gonna have to do a little technique probably on this one. The water will probably come up to here when you first go in, and that's it. And it'll come down. Nothing to worry about.
Okay.
Because what do we want to not do?
We don't want to go too deep.
Yeah.
Because it's bad.
That's bad.
Bad.
Yeah.
I got a soaker all the way up to my knee.
Did you?
Oh yeah.
From where?
The one of the puddles.
Oh, did you have to stop?
No.
Oh, just from the water?
Just from it coming up.
Oh, that one's gonna leak too?
Oh, somewhere up here, yeah.
Yeah. We got new gear coming. It's coming. Okay, so are you in sport?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, you need all the power that you need. This should be a good one. You'll have to use some of the techniques I taught you already. And then get into it. Now, what I would suggest is you hop off the machine, go to that side, okay? Put your right foot on, wrong foot, and then use your left foot to push off the side. Yeah? Yeah, see how it's teetering? Yeah, and then give it gas too. Yeah. Because you're getting traction on this side. There you go. Or do that, yeah. Wrong foot forward. Yeah. There, oh yeah, there you go. Don't panic or anything.
Doesn't even move it when I jump up and down.
Try that technique you're just gonna do, but on this side. Get all the way off. Yeah. And then throttle. And then you pull with the rack. Yeah, so you find it's going, see? You're good, you're good. Reset yourself. It's moving. Oh, getting cocky there.
That might leave a bruise.
Oh, geez. Well, we don't want any bruises. Okay. Which side we can get the traction? Like one side or the other. Okay. Give her some gas. Side to side. Handlebars. Remember how we went the handlebars?
Forgot that part. Okay, well, I want to try it again going this way.
Yeah. You want to do it right now?
Yeah. Yeah, I forgot about my handlebar part.
I know. So it's either side of your tires are grabbing because it's like a U-shaped, right? So when you do that, you're grabbing either the outside or the inside, and it gives you that. But if you're not moving at all, that doesn't matter.
So when I got hung up there, was I not like going fast enough, or like what was the problem?
I don't think it mattered.
Okay.
If you went really fast, like
I might have missed it maybe.
You might skim over top.
But I can't. When I go in, it doesn't seem like I can go any faster. Like I get kind of stuck.
But I have like.
I'm going to Redemption Island here.
Well, and I got stopped, and I had to do a little, and then got over, and then it was fine. But I got like 2 more inches of clearance than you, so that would work.
Damn it!
Yeah!
Sorry folks, you're gonna have to wait for part 2 to see how the MudWife made out her second time around in this mud hole. While you're waiting for that one, why don't you watch this video where the MudWife took her 570 XMR out in the mud for the very first time. I'll see you in the next one.